everyone, in this video I am going to show you how I fix a WordPress user role problem. This was from a client project, but I am going to show you the same process on my subdomain. As you can see, I can log in, but options are missing. I cannot see plugins, themes or users. This means this user does not have full admin access. Now I am going to fix this from cPanel. I am using Hostinger phpMyAdmin. First of all, I need to go database, and you can see this is my subdomain and this is the database name. So just select phpMyAdmin and find UP users. You can see UP users, and here I can see two users, Rohan and Raweb, and user ID one is 3. So we need search on this user ID from user metadata. So let's find user metadata here. And user ID equal 3 and go, and you can see it's user ID 3 and name it's Rohan, and its user UP capabilities is as an editor, so we need to edit this. That's why I cannot see the admin options on my WordPress dashboard. So now I'm going to change the role to administration. Click the edits and just edit this and just click go. Also I need to replace value with user level, so just click edit. User UP user level is 7. It's need change to 10. Just click go. Now I'm back to the WordPress dashboard. Just log out and need login. Now we can see the admin option, plugin and themes, user, everything. So the problem is fixed. So that's how I fix WordPress user role problem using phpMyAdmin. If you have same problem, first check the user role, and before changing anything the database, always take a backup. And hope this video helps you. Thank you.